We started the process for planning for this over a year ago. We've done a lot of work in the background, bringing everybody together, putting together the best program we have, trying to get everyone to come. And it's super exciting to be here, do all this work, and now just have everybody here so that we can see them, see what they're doing.
Thrilled to finally be in New Orleans for ROSCon. We've had many years that we tried to bring the conference and we had to postpone it, so it's fantastic to be in the French Quarter with all of our friends, and this is the biggest and most diverse ROSCon yet.
I came to ROSCon because really this is the hub of where the future of development for robotics is happening.
And the energy that we've seen in the exhibitor area, we've got such an amazing set of companies here that are showing off just a huge breadth of things that they can do with robots and with ROS, and just seeing the engagement between the community and all those supporters has been fantastic.
It's so exciting to see all the flash talks, and everyone comes with something that they've been working so hard to develop, and it's something real, it's something that's having an impact. And I just love seeing the variety of things that people come up with.
There's so many exciting things happening at ROSCon. I think the first thing was the demos. With the Startup Alley, that was a new thing. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed the announcements that were made, the different talks, just everything really.
This is just the place to be for any of the open source robotics software or any networking that you can do here. This is one of the best places to do it.
It was amazing to see how many people are involved in ROS, how many different applications.
It's certainly a highlight of our year to bring all of these wonderful roboticists together and see them collaborate and share all their ideas. It's very energizing.
Most exciting thing is seeing the community, the people talking with each other, knowing, because all the year we are knowing only in the GitHub repos, and now we can see each other.
Definitely that Seno and Seno Pico is mentioned by several people since we have made the choice to also go in that direction, so means we have made the right choice.
Definitely, at least the Rust migration of all the components, that is a good step, so that you can basically have the memory safe architecture.
I think the most interesting thing we've seen is just the diversity of applications that are being built on top of ROS, and seeing talks discussing what the future of the platform looks like. We're on the cusp of more and more presence of robotics in the world around us, whether it's aerial robotics like drones, or on the ground in industry and in the public. And being at ROSCon, you get to sort of see what that future is going to be like.
I think in the next number of years we're going to see a fantastic growth is applications that are built with WebAssembly and WebGPU. I think those are going to be integrating system across mobile, the cloud, etc. I think that technology is going to make application development very impactful for developers in the future.
The best thing for me is just going around and talking to people, everyone from the new students coming in, the diversity scholars, finding out how they're getting involved with the community, but also the core developers that I haven't seen for potentially a year or two, what they're doing, what edges they're pushing on the development, and of course the cool robots.
We are enjoying a lot the talks and the workshop.
You get to meet all the people that are actually working on the low-level stuff that you just suddenly start using, and you never really know who's developing it. And when you come here, you put a face to a name, and now you see who the people behind it is.
It's been amazing to see from the beginning of ROS, when it was an idea on a whiteboard, to now. You never thought all these things would be possible. And I'm just looking forward to what everyone else is going to find, where push that envelope and make things happen for them.
What's been really fun is to see that there's both academia, there's industry, there's students that are learning. And so what I really want to see for the community is that it grows, that we learn from each other, because really you have the state-of-the-art in academia that's being developed, and then you have all these real applications that matter with what industry is pushing forward. So I want to see both those sides grow so that we can come together and have the impact that we want.
Probably the biggest thing that we can do in the near future is to increase the diversity within our community. This community has taken 15 years to put together, and this is the 10th year we're doing ROSCon, and I just want to encourage everybody to keep at it. We've built a really special thing here, and the very best thing we could do is to keep investing in it.
Please keep doing what you're doing. We really appreciate your support, and really the life of the community is in everyone coming together.
Learn ROS, see what you can do with it, so that we can grow this community ultimately.
Enjoy the community, have good vibes, and code.